Come test drive the 2017 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, backup camera, anti-lock braking system. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.